Hey guys, welcome to another video by coinery.co.uk. So today we are going to discuss another coin set which I recently purchased and we listed it on our website for sale. This is D-Day 50th anniversary 1994 proof set, and it has first of all in the box, if you want to have a look, this is how the box looks like, and it comes with a certificate of authentication, or usually COA, what we usually call it, Royal Mint, and it says 3 coins at silver proof collection, commemorating the 50th anniversary of Allied invasion of Europe. So there are 3 coins in the set. Number 1 is dollar. If we start from this side, this is the silver dollar. As you can see, it says D-Day, June 6, 1944, and it was issued in 1995 US dollar, so it is 95 silver US dollar. And in God we trust, that's what it says on observe. And a soldier landing on Normandy side. On the most special thing about this coin is its reverse side. If you can see it here, that is the code by the General Eisenhower, who was the commander of Supreme Headquarters of Allied Forces, and it says, "I have full confidence in your courage, devotion to duty, and skill in battle. We will accept nothing less than full victory." That's really powerful. That is like his speech before he sent off his troops to D-Day landings. So I'd say that is one really powerful thing about a coin, and that's one thing I really love about it. Especially, I'm a big fan of war coins and war memorabilia. So yeah, on the second coin we got is 50 pence by Royal Mint. That represents UK. The other one, US one, represented US. In this, on observe side, if you look, there is third crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth, 1994, and then it says DGREGFT. Basically, that translates to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of Faith. And now on reverse, it represents the what you call it, superiority over skies and land and on the sea by Allied forces. If you look, you can see many planes, Allied planes over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. So yeah, this represents the second partner, which was Britain, and now let's move to the third partner, which is France. So we got a franc, silver franc. It is from 1993, I think. Okay, so on reverse, let's have a look at reverse first. It says it shows 1 franc, and then it shows the flags of all the Allied forces. I can see Canada, US, UK, and French flag here, and Statue of Liberty, and that's what it shows. And on its reverse, is it reverse or observe? Just a second. Yeah, that is observe. So on observe, it shows a soldier landing, and then this in the air there are planes, and then soldiers coming up on the landing on the landing zone. This is insignia of I'm not sure which insignia is it. I knew it. I think it is a battalion or a force with attacking force. This is their insignia, and then this is Czech hedgehogs in their way to stop them from landing. So this is a pretty nice piece of history, I'd say, and that's one thing I really love about this coin, that all three partners are actually represented in this. This is the work by Royal Mint, and then they also give details about the coins here as well. As you can see, designs and specification. French 1 franc, observed by the designer, and then it just gives a little bit information, and then operation overload. I think that's what this operation was called. No, it was called maybe. I'm not sure. Okay, so that is about this. Then there is certificate of authenticity for proof US silver dollar, and then 1991 to 1933. So Department of Treasury, United States Mint, and it shows that. So these are the two certificates of authentication, and that's overall overview of this beautiful set. This is one of the most amazing sets which I really love in my available at the coinery.co.uk at the time of recording this video, which is December 2029. Actually, it is 14th of December. And if you want to buy this set, it is available on coinery.co.uk or website. I'll leave a link in description as well, so you can check it out. And see you in next video. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.